Hello planner friends, in this video I am going to flip through this happy planner recipe organizer or recipe planner because it is super cute and I just received it. This was on sale a couple of weeks ago on the Happy Planner website, so I had to get it because me and my boyfriend, we are cooking a lot actually and so I thought this would be perfect to collect some collect some cool recipes that we like. So this is the cover. It is super pretty. I had to get the one with the macarons on it. There are a couple different recipe planners from the Happy Planner, but I love macarons like so much. You can't even imagine how much, so I thought this is beautiful. So when you open this up, obviously you get a welcome card, and this planner also comes with a grocery list. This is like glued together here at the top, so it's like a block, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces of this grocery list. And then this is the opening page. I think it is gorgeous. I am not a huge fan of red, but I think this looks amazing and I love berries and stuff, so this favorite recipe collection belongs to. And then you have a kitchen conversions table, the teaspoon, tablespoon, cup, and so on and so forth. You can write your own here. And then this is the first divider. It has rose gold foil. Food is love. And this divider says favorites. This is the inside of the divider. And then you have these recipe pages. So you can write the title, directions, ingredients, how many people it serves, notes, prep time and cook time. And then it repeats on the other side. So on one sheet of paper you have 2 recipes. And you have 10 pages, so you can have 20 favorites in here, but obviously you can switch out these for other ones in the planner to have more if you want, but there are 10 sheets originally in the first section. I am guessing it's gonna be 10 for each. So the second one is main dishes, and we have this black divider, and it says stuff like happiness is homemade, the secret ingredient is always love, let's celebrate life, and the inside looks the same. I also didn't mention, but the discs are these bronzy color, and I think they are pretty cute. So inside this divider we have green recipe pages, but it's the same kind of thing with the title, the directions, ingredients, how many people it serves, notes, prep time and cook time. Yeah, it's 10 sheets in here as well. And this is the next one. There is never enough time. That is clever. And this is for small dishes. And the inside is this green lined paper. And we have blue recipe pages. And it's 10 sheets. The next is soups and salads. Happiness is homemade. The inside is just gray and white lines. And we have, I am guessing, 10 sheets again. And then we have healthy fare. The secret ingredient is always love. I really like this divider. I think it's beautiful. The inside is red polka dot. And we have the recipe sheets. And then we have breakfast, also beautiful color. The inside is striped and polka dots, and green recipe pages. Then we have desserts, A party without cake is just a meeting. Super cute with the polka dots. The inside is just polka dots without the quote, and we have blue pages. And the last one is miscellaneous. And this one says, where there is a whisk, there is a way. And it has this rose gold foil on it. I think it's super pretty with the blue. And the inside is just the sparkles without the foil. And we have 10 recipe pages. And this is the back inside cover. And I am also going to show you the back cover without this thing. This one has 3 sticky things. I don't know why, instead of just having one. But this one has 3. So, and the back cover is just pink and white polka dots. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also have an Instagram account where I only post happy planner things, so if you're interested in that, I'm going to leave it in the description box below. And I hope you have an awesome day and that we see each other very soon. Until then, bye!